everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Switcha and I make DIY videos for home decor. I usually make it from the dollar store products, but I'm planning to come up with a more like a thrift clips or probably the high-end dupes and many more like that. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Today's video is about some high-end dupes which I tried to make from the thrifted products and from the dollar store products, and they turned out pretty well. They look exactly alike, so I hope you will enjoy the video. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started with our first project. Okay, so our first project will be string of bells. This is a project that I got inspired from Pottery Barn website. They have this huge bell string on their website and I'm gonna make something like that. So I got this ornament from dollar store which had one large bell and this little ring to hold it. It had a golden lace going inside, so I had to remove it, and then I covered that with the white yarn that I had. It was not yarn actually, it was a velvet kind of thing, a velvet string, but that was looking very pretty, very chic. And I started to wrap it around just the way it was before, like the golden one, and then I wrapped it. It's a lengthy process. It took about 10 to 15 minutes for me. And then I had this mini jingle bells that I also got from dollar store. They are very pretty. They come in a two color, silver and a gold, but I wanted to go for a gold, so I bought this one, and then I attached them with a string that I did not have any exact measurements for. I wanted to make it look a little bit organic, so I just cut the strings in different sizes and attached them with the jingle bells and attach those strings with the ring, and this is how I made it. Now the second project is decorative felt trees. This project is inspired from Western website. I saw many trees like that on the Western website. They come in a glitter, they come in a different color felt, and many more like that. So I decided to make it on my own. So from that felt material that I had, I started to cutting out the pieces in a square shape just to make sure that they are all the same size, so I don't make any mistakes while making a petals out of it. I didn't want it in different sizes. I had this same size square cut in a felt material, and then I gave them a shape, a round kind of shape in the bottom, so that I can make the exact one that I saw on the Western website. This was a long process. It needs a lot of patience. It took at least 1 or 2 hours for me to work on this, and then just because I was working on 2 felt trees, I had to make more. And then I stick the petals with the glue gun, and you have to make sure that you are not leaving out any spaces in between them, so you actually have to make a lot more than you actually think that you're gonna need. Here we are done with the second project. And the third one is Mercury glass hurricanes. So I forgot to mention, but this is inspired from the Western website. You have the picture right there. It's just that you cannot see this from Western website. I'm gonna put it in the description as well. Then I had to I got these hurricanes from the dollar store, and I had to wipe them down very nicely so that there are no fingerprints, anything like that on the glass, so it looks more better. Then just because I was going to stick silver foil on that, it's not actually the silver one. I'm not really sure which metal is that. It's just that I had the silver foil, and just because I was going to stick that, I really wanted to make sure that I had no dust or debris on the glass, so it can look very well when it's dried. And with the Mod Podge, I spread the Mod Podge on the bottom part of my hurricane, so it can hold up the silver foil very easily. And then I started to place the silver foil in it. Now it was very tough without using the finger. I thought the foil is going to break if I use my fingers, but it wasn't like that. It was very easy to work with the foil. So I used my finger eventually. So I needed 2 foils for 2 hurricanes, and I think it's more than enough for this sizes. And of course the western one that comes in a different sizes, probably 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. This is very much equal to the medium size. And then once it was sticked, I pressed them from inside just to make sure that it's completely set. And then I let those dry for about 5 to 6 hours. And here we are done with the last and the final project. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.